Now, what is this myth about? Now, this Pasiphae is a character actually. She is a queen, and in Greek mythology it is said that she is the queen of Crete. Now, Crete is considered to be one of the largest Greek islands back in those days. And we are told in the Greek mythology about this queen Pasiphae that she was married to Minos. Minos was the king of Crete, and being the wife of Minos, she gave birth to many children from this marriage. But then we are told that another character in the Greek mythology named as Sidon curse Pasiphae, and this curse upon Pasiphae would raise in her a curiosity of mating with a bull or having a sexual intercourse with a bull. That was the curse upon this Pasiphae, and this lust arose her to such an extent that she required to fulfill it. But since she was a queen, she was a woman, so it was very difficult for her to mate with a bull. So what she did, she asked an artificer who is named as Daedalus in Greek mythology, and she asked him to construct a wooden cow or a frame of a wooden cow in which she would later go in order to satisfy her lust. So what Pasiphae did, she went inside that wooden cow, and after going inside that wooden cow, she mated with a bull. And after this experience, she gave birth to a monster child who in Greek mythology is called as Minotaur. Now, Minotaur in Greek mythology is a character whose body is of man, or who is having a man's body, and his head and tail are of bull. And later we are told that in Greek mythology we are told that Theseus, who is an Athenian hero, would murder this Minotaur. Now that was the Greek myth of Pasiphae.